Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect NinjaTrader in TradingView. So what you're going to do now is simply go to your TradingView and log into your TradingView account. So once I've logged into your TradingView account here, so what we're going to do, click on the menu icon which is on your top left, the hamburger icon, click on the menu icon. So from there, select products, okay, click on the products option here. And then from products option, you will see there's an option called super charts. Click on the super charts option. So click on it and open up the super charts. So once you're here on these super charts page here, so what we're going to look for now is actually the trading panel here. So look for the trading panel and then click on this trading panel tab here. Okay, so just click on it and then here scroll down and then try and look for NinjaTrader. Okay, try to look for it. So if you can't find it, click on all brokers where it will show you all the traders. So from there, try and look for NinjaTraders. If you're unable to locate it or anything, what you can do, you can just press Control F on your browser. So on your keyboard, just put Control F and then type in NinjaTrader. So as you can see, this go NinjaTrader here. So I've located it, and all you have to do is click on it, and then here choose whether you want the live or the demo version. So all you have to do is just plug in your NinjaTrader username and password. Once you have plugged in, and then hit on connect, and that's it. Your NinjaTrader will be connected and you're all good to use it with TradingView.